Hello, my lovely friends. I hope you all are doing amazing. You're staying very healthy, hydrated, and happy in this lockdown period. So, what do I bring to you today? Today's session will be super duper important for all the 11th and 12th NEET and JEE aspirants, the future aspirants, since this is the time, 10th grade, when you need to improve your performance in science to understand the fundamentals, right? And today's session will be super helpful for you because I'll be telling you 10 most important tips and tricks by which you can crack science. You can score 40 and 40 in boards, term 1 2021 science. So first of all, you should know the date and the syllabus along with the paper pattern. You can refer to the sample paper for this. Now, basically the science paper is going to be conducted on 2nd of December. I hope by now all of you must have got this information. Now the science paper will be conducted on 2nd of December from 11:30 to 1. Right? The syllabus you know from chemistry, first 3 chapters, biology, life processes, and physics, light and human and the colorful world. Right? So now moving on to the topic-wise understanding. Number 1. In chemistry, in biology, in physics, you need to understand the concepts topic-wise and solve as many MCQs as you can from that particular topic. Then, after having solved sufficient number of MCQs, what you can do is you can practice mock tests. Mock tests will help you analyze your time management skills. If you're able to manage time, if you are able to finish the paper within that period of 90 minutes, that is the most important thing. And how are you satisfied with the exam conditions and all? You need to sit for 90 minutes. At least you don't have to sit for 180 minutes like previous year students had to do, right everyone? So first thing, know your pattern. It is total MCQ, 100% MCQ. You have to do it on the OMR sheet, and I will soon make a video on OMR sheet, also how to fill in all the important details about OMR sheet. So pattern is MCQ based. You'll be having 3 sections. In the first section you have 24 questions, you have to attempt 20. Second section same, 24 questions are there, attempt 20. And the third section, 12 questions are there which are case study based and you have to attempt any 10. Correcto? So this is basically the pattern of your MCQ. Section A comprises basically standalone general MCQs. Section B consists of some logical, some extrapolative MCQs where you need to apply your brain and think about the answer along with assertion reasoning questions. I have already made a video. So I have already made an assertion reasoning video which was amazing and it got a good response. So in case you haven't watched, the link of the same will be provided to you in the description. So let's move on. First thing is about your date and all. Second thing about OMR. Then third thing about your pattern and syllabus. Fourth thing, now first let's move chapter, like you can say subject wise. First we'll move to physics. Now physics is basically calculative, analytical, logical, in which you need to apply your brain and analyze your concepts. The concepts which you learnt, you have to apply them in the paper. Right everybody? So point number 1, refer to the sample paper, read NCERT line by line, solve all the objective questions of NCERT Exemplar. Exemplar contains all the important questions and by your pre-boards you must have got the idea about your strengths and your weaknesses in science. Because science consists of physics, chemistry, biology, you need to understand, you need to identify that where are your strengths, where are your weaknesses, right everybody? So basically, as far as physics is concerned, your NCERT is really good, NCERT Exemplar is amazing, and the MCQ book, you can take any. Now let's move to chemistry. Chemistry is all about reactions. Remember, most of the reactions of NCERT along with color change. Colors are important, many a times questions are asked. Like basically questions are asked when these two substances will react, what will be products which will be formed? What are going to be the product? So that you should know. From chemical reactions and equations, you know it is very important to know all the 5 types of reactions very nicely, acids, bases and salts. Remember the properties of acids and bases, indicators, then pH, ionization, strength and weakness, dissociation into H plus ions and OH negative ions. Along with that, you should remember the salts and the reactions of acids and bases with different substances. Clear? Perfect. Now let us move on to metals, non-metals. In metals, non-metals, you need to understand about metals, non-metals, properties and everything like that. Along with that, reactivity series, super duper important. Mark it in your NCERT. Reactivity series, everyone, right? And the third part is ionic bonding. Okay, ionic compound formation, super duper important, which you had already studied in ninth grade. Not at all a problem. Now, last but not the least, biology. Biology, as we all know, only one chapter is there, which is equal to 4 chapters, but a very, very interesting chapter. Life processes, a very easy and direct chapter. Nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion. Remember all the facts. Make notes, please. If you haven't made yet, from term 2 onwards, start making. Otherwise, you're gonna regret the next time also. Notes are always useful. Your notes will help you a lot during the revision time also. Okay, so remember all the facts, solve exemplar as I said, solve previous year questions, what type of questions are asked, which topics are more important. Along with that, you can follow my YouTube sessions, my MCQ sessions, right everyone? Because I'm providing you all the MCQs. So in this way, I've told you subject wise how you have to do the sample paper nicely, please, and all the best for your boards, everyone. I will discuss the board paper also, set whatever set I get of science, and soon we'll be beginning with a thorough marathon, fast track French marathon for sciences. So are you ready for that?
Yes.
For that, you have to hit the like button, you need to share it among all your friends and subscribe to the channel. So here I sign off. Bye bye, take care. Bye.
Bye.